Alright, before I do sing my last song for the night, nabitin po kayo? Sabi ko, wala akong nabitin. Alright, kung nabitin kayo, I do have another show that I will be performing at for this December 7. The main act will be Julian, San Jose, and River Cruz. So remember, just check your social medias and yes, I'll be there. So, yun. And I do also want to take this opportunity to thank Varian Productions and the productions who hosted this concert. If it wasn't for them, all of you guys won't be here. I won't be here as well. Yes, Kuya Joel, thank you so much for inviting me here because it's been since 2019 since I last performed, so pre-pandemic pa. So yeah, thank you so much. And special mention to my friend who produced my Serena and Ere instrumental, C.A. Manalo. I just don't know where you are right now, but thank you so much. Alright, so for my last song for the night, super throwback to. So if you guys know this song, please sing with me. Sana'y wag mo na itong palipasin at subukan lunasin sa mga sinabi mo na